In this video, I'll show you how to clone a professional voice in ElevenLabs in 2026. Before getting started, there's one important thing to remember. Only clone a voice that you own or have explicit permission to use. Never clone another person's voice without their consent. First, open your web browser on your PC or laptop and go to ElevenLabs. Log in to your account and open the voice-related tools in your dashboard. To create a voice clone, you'll need a clean voice recording from the speaker whose voice you have permission to use. For the best results, use a high-quality recording with clear speech and minimal background noise. Avoid recordings with loud music, heavy background noise, multiple people speaking, or significant audio distortion. A clean source recording can help produce a more natural result. Next, choose the option to create or add a new voice. Select the appropriate voice cloning feature available in your ElevenLabs account. Follow the on-screen instructions and upload the required voice sample. Make sure the recording meets ElevenLabs' current requirements for length, quality, and format. After uploading the sample, review the information and confirm that you have the necessary rights or permission to use the voice. ElevenLabs will then process the recording and create a voice based on the provided sample.